In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a button to your Shopify store. Buttons are great for directing customers to products, collections, contact pages, or special offers. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and click Online Store. Next, click Customize next to your active theme. Once the theme editor opens, navigate to the page where you want to add the button, such as your home page. Click Add Section or Add Block, depending on your theme. Then select a section that supports buttons, such as image banner, rich text, or multi-column. After adding the section, look for the button label field and enter the text you want displayed on the button, such as Shop Now or Learn More. Next, add the button link by selecting the page, product, collection, or URL you want the button to open. Customize the button style if your theme provides options for colors, size, or appearance. Once everything looks the way you want, click Save in the top right corner. That's it. You've successfully added a button to your Shopify store, making it easier for visitors to navigate and take action. Thanks for watching.